In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your currency and fiscal year in FreshBooks. We'll walk through the essentials you need to get right from the start, so your invoices, reports, and taxes line up perfectly. This won't take long, and by the end, you'll have a clean, accurate foundation for your books. First, open FreshBooks and either create a new account or log into your existing one. If you're signing up for the first time, follow the prompts to get into your dashboard. If you already have access, make sure you're using an owner or administrator profile so you can update financial settings. It's also a good idea to have any relevant details handy, like your business location and accounting preferences, so you can confirm the correct currency and fiscal year without guesswork. Once you're in, head to Settings. Depending on your layout, you may see a gear icon. Click that to open your account settings. From there, look for Tax and Financial Information. This is the central place where FreshBooks stores your financial defaults, including the key items we're configuring today. Inside Tax and Financial Information, locate the currency setting. Choose the primary currency your business operates in, the one you use for pricing, invoicing, and reporting. Picking the correct currency here ensures your invoices show the right symbols and your reports summarize amounts consistently. If you regularly bill clients in multiple currencies, you can still do that on a per-invoice basis, but your base currency determines how your overall books are presented. Be aware that changing your base currency later can affect historical reports and how amounts display, so set this correctly upfront if possible. Next, set your fiscal year. This is the month your financial year starts and ends, and it drives how FreshBooks groups your data for tax time and year-end reports. Many businesses use a calendar year, starting in January, but some jurisdictions or organizations use a different cycle. If you're unsure, confirm with your accountant or follow your local tax authority's standard. Getting this right keeps profit and tax summaries aligned with the periods you actually file. When you're done, save your changes. Some versions of FreshBooks autosave, showing a quick confirmation message. Others include a Save Changes button. Either way, wait for the confirmation before leaving the page. If you want to double-check, navigate away and come back to confirm your selections are still in place. That's it. Your currency and fiscal year are set. With these foundations configured, your invoices and reports will be consistent and ready for accurate bookkeeping.